Hey all, welcome to Homeschooling with Hera. Hope everyone is well. Today's video is about a new freebie that is available on my website, and these are Phonics flashcards that you often see in my videos. So this is the sequence. The sequence is a Jolly Phonics scheme. We have 7 groups on Jolly Phonics, so they all are written here, and you will also get some alternative spelling cards that we teach in the Jolly Phonics level 2 and 3, right? So just have a quick look at the sounds and all the cards. You will get 56 cards and the size is 4 by 4. You can easily print them out or you can use them in your online classes as well. So group 1 sounds are S, A, T, E, P, N. Group 2 K, K, E, H, M, D. Group 3 G, O, A, O, F, B. Group 4 A, J, O, I, E, R. Group 5 Z, W, N, V. U, U. It has 2 sounds. One is short as in foot and one is long as in pool. Group 6 Y, X, Ch, Sh, Th, and Th. It also has 2 sounds, th as in thin and th as in this. Group 7 Qua, Ow, Oi, U, R. And after these, we have alternative spelling cards. AYA that we use at the end of English words. The magic EA, EAE, the long E alternative. Magic EE or the split digraph. Letter Y saying I and E at the end of English words. 3-letter I, magic EI, magic OO, OWO, and OWOW. OW can say 2 sounds. Then we have the split digraph or magic EU. EW saying U or U. Long vowel U has 2 sounds, U and U. OY, OI that we use at the end of English words. IRR, alternative of ER. URR, alternative of ER. ALO, AUO, and AWO. So these are the all cards that we use in Jolly Phonics level 1, 2, and 3. You can see that they are color coded just to help kids distinguish between the vowel and consonant sounds. The consonants are red, like these cards, and the vowel sounds are blue in color, right? The best part of this is that you can download these cards for free from my website. The only thing that you need to do is to write the coupon code RAM 2023. It means Ramadan 2023. So this is a gift of Ramadan to all of you. Just write RAM 2023 and download the whole set of these phonics cards for free. However, if you still have some confusion, so it's here. I'm just showing you a tutorial how you can download. Go to homeschoolingwithhera.com. This is my website. I'll share the link in the description box, and then go to shop. If you click on shop, you will find some products here. My ebook is also available here, and 75 flashcards of phonics and 75 phonogram flashcards. This is for advanced phonics, but if you want the simple Jolly Phonics level 1 to 3 cards, go here, add to cart. You can also click on here. You can see some images that you will get in the cards, right? And then click here, add to cart, view cart. Okay, I have mistakenly selected 3, so reduce the quantity to 1. Okay, update your card. Now look at this. The price is 5, but apply coupon is written here. So please write here RAM 2023. This is the coupon code. Apply coupon and check this out. Now your total is 0. Okay, but you need to fill up your address. Proceed to checkout. Okay, here you got it. If you get this page, quickly fill your information. This is all secure. You don't need to worry about that. This is just for record. And then place order. When you place order, here is your downloadable link. So you can click here and check this out. Jolly Phonics flashcards, they are here, right? So this is how, if you open this, you will get the same stuff that I have just shown you. Print them, use them online, however, whatever you want. And this is the end of today's video, but please hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family. I would love if you write a review on my website as well. And with that, it's time to say bye. I'll see you soon with something new. Take care and don't forget to make it a great day. Bye.